Ladies and gentlemen, this is T-Dread and
Sisi.
Today we are going to introduce you with present continuous. You know, present continuous is when you are saying something and that something that you are saying is happening at the same moment, which is the present progressive, okay?
Present continuous c'est là on fait bagay là, ok nan moment on fait bagay là. Par exemple, m'a manger.
With the I am eating, that means c'est le verb to eat. You mettez ing there qui va faire present continuous, which is the present progressive. Let's open this. And allez ensemble, Sisi, type the correct answer. What are they doing? The first one says they are cycling to work. Deuxième n'a dit they cycling to work. Troisième n'a dit they are cycled to work. Quatrième n'a dit they cycle to work. Qui est-ce qui est bon, Sisi?
The first one.
The first one qui c'est premier. They are cycling to work. And then next. Correct. So, nous gagnons deuxième là. Tap the correct answer. What is she doing? Qui ça li a fait? She is eating ice cream. She is eating ice cream. She's eat ice cream. She eat ice cream. Which one is good?
The first one.
No, baby.
Oh, that's
she eating ice cream. That's not correct because
yes.
It's missing the verb to be. Yeah. You know present progressive, present continuous. I mean, c'est le verb to be plus verb correct là plus ing. C'est ça que fait c'est des bon. C'est she's eating ice cream, right? Okay. What happens is me and my girlfriend doing that. I am teaching my girlfriend English, but we are sharing it you guys, okay? Ma bese fait tout bon fun. No seulement my girlfriend gonna be good, and you two guys are watching my videos. On my YouTube channel, you're gonna like it too. Let's go. Let's get the third one. Tap the correct answer. Tapez et réponse qui correct là. What is she doing? She is listening to music. She's listening to music. She listening to music. She listen to music. Which one is good?
The first one.
The first one is good. Correct. This is she is listening to music. Is the how do you call that? The pronoun. The personal pronoun she. Plus the verb to be is contraction plus listening, the verb listen plus ing to music. Correct. Let's go. Great. Congratulations, Sisi. You're doing a good job. A good job. Okay, type the correct answer. What are you doing? Okay, I am reading a magazine. I is reading a magazine. I reading a magazine. I read a magazine.
I'm reading a magazine, baby.
Correct. I'm reading a magazine is the correct one because ou baga di I is. I is c'est faux anglais. Ou baga di I reading. Si gen ing forget the verb to be avec. I read ça pas correct. Ou bet es seulement dans troisième personne du singulier comme si I read, you read, he reads.
Yes.
But this one is I am reading a magazine. Okay, guys? Let's go. We tap the first one. Oh, congratulations. Mes amis, bat me pour Sisi. Non, là, bien travail. Gardons bon petit lèvre m'gain. Tap the correct answer. They are crossing the street. They cross the street. They crossing the street. They are crossing the street. Which one is correct?
The
first one or the last one?
The last one.
The last one. Because they are crossing the street. And that's exactly what they're doing. Nous tout là, sous partie blanche. C'est quoi ça monter avec la rue? Centre Domingo, we have that. Nous gen ça, c'est nous Haïti nous pas gen. Haïti toute la rue moun traverser bon jamais dans tout pays. Si traverser ouais là dans la rue, we have them. C'est côté pour traverser la rue. Si une machine fait pour ça, la paye en pile l'argent. But si machine na quoi traverser côté pas dans Chicago, le caso net. You got me, guys? You said that was the last one, right, baby?
Yes, baby.
There we go. So guys, I don't want to do too much. I think that's gonna be the last one. Type the correct word. We did that already, baby? Or they give it again? What are they doing? They are cycling to work, correct? Okay. They cycling to work. That's what they do. Let's go next. Correct. I already did all that and all that. I don't want to do it no more. I think that's all. So, je disais, just venir avec Sisi pour me dire que ça que le présent continue. The present continues. C'est là que vous dit un bagage que vous fait en même temps.
Abonnez à la chaîne là et puis nous tourner avec une autre vidéo pour nous apprendre à parler anglais ensemble.